Okay, all done. This is the man, little D.O. Cracking little kit. I had to look it up and there's 519 pieces. So it's not excessively long, but some good challenging parts to this. You know, I kept saying about these pipes, you've got to work the end off those to get all the connectors on, especially the last one. But the head was a bit tricky. You've seen the speed build, I cut it off and started again just to get that pressed in nice and tight. So two little twist controls here, bit of nodding dog there, and this one turns the head. These obviously flex on little hinges. You know, what are you looking at? You got a problem? What are you looking at? Did you enjoy that? Yeah, I'm not sure, I was a bit worried. Good, I like it. Spares wise, incredibly excessive. 15 spares in that kit. Although if you think, and you have a look at that one there, I think I've missed one of the ribs off. I wouldn't have thought they'd leave that as a spare. But yeah, I think I've missed one off, but I ain't going to take them apart and put it back on. So, yeah, like it. Didn't know him beforehand, but there's the man. D.O. from Star Wars, Rise of Skywalker. And you get your little baby one as well. Nice one. Welcome to D.O. He's going upstairs on my desk now, next to some of my cards, my speed champions. Alright? If you want a little enjoyable task, get him. I've really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. Yeah. See you next time.